A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. In today's newspaper on Friday, August the 4th, 2023, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. 4 of them, yes. And the first one is a 3 stars Sudoku number 6865. Well, it's not really a 3 stars puzzle because this one has 29 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars because the 1 star has 27 and this puzzle has 2 more digits. For a 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. I do not know. We will see. Let me put here 40 minutes. Okay. A 1 star has 27. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, we will see. Is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars? So let's get started. There's 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3, 6, 6, 6, 6, okay. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, oh, we already have a 5 here. 5, 5, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in the first row, so no 1 and 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other 3 should be the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 2, 6, and a 7. 2, 6, and 7. We have a 2 and a 6 in this column, no 2 and a 6 in that box. 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. 8. No. Alright, so we have a 6 there. Here need a 6 also. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there in this row. 1 in the 5, we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. You see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in that row, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, okay. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. 1, need a 1 here. Alright. 2 numbers, missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first one. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. But the 4, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing here. Okay, so we have a 4 here. 4 there. Yeah. 2. We have all the 2s. No, we need a 2 here. 2. 5. 1 and a 9 are missing here. 1 and a 9, okay. How about these? I need a 1 here. 9. 1, 9 and 4. I need a 4 here. 1, 9 and 4. 4. 4. 8. Come on. 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. No 8 here. 8 could be here. Could be there. Need an 8 here. That means in this row we need an 8 there. This should be the 8. Yeah. 4 missing numbers. Here can be an 8. Here can be an 8. And here can be an 8. We have an 8 there. So I mark those 2 boxes with 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 9 are missing. For the 9. Well, need to wait. 4, 9, and a 1. We have a 1 here. We have a double 1 in the first row, so the 1 between. Only place left with 1. It should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So the column between. Middle column. Only place left for the 1. Should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in last row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the first column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in the third column. 1 in the first column. So the column between. The second column only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there we see 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in this column. Last column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 8. Need an 8 there. Because we have 8 in the second column. Alright, 1 need a 2. 2, yeah. 2 is missing in this big square. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, no 2 there. Only place left with the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, same numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 7, I believe. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 in the first column, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2 is missing. 8. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 and 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have 4 in the second, sorry, in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 6, okay. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well. Need to be faster than 40 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.